Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about the URL validations in the Playwright. See, normally, no, when we try to automate, right? So, when we launch the browser, no, so we will check for the page title or we will check for the URL validations, right? So, that kind of test we will do now. Okay, we will learn that kind of test. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, see, I will go here. This is our website. No? After launching the URL, this is our URL. Okay. So I will try to click on register page. See, the URL got changed, right? Register. Hmm? The URL got register. So now we will check this with this URL validation. We will check the URL validation. Okay. Here. Okay. Here only I will add it under page title. In this file only we will create the URL. Okay. Okay. Now I will copy the same text here. This copy. I'm here. So I'm validating to anyone. I'm making comment here for this line. So how to validate URLs, page URL, okay, or else implement. Okay, this is our test now. So I have launched the URL. I'm verifying that the page title, right? After that, so we have launched the browser successfully with this page. Now go here. So say initialize DB. So this is the when we launch the browser, this is the URL. Now get this element. Get this element. Try to identify this element. Try to enter this element. So I'll go with text, the register text. Okay. Colon slash a text equal to. So this is a my element. Say one of one is matching it. Copy this element. Now we need to click on it, right? So await page dot locator and this element. Just click it. Just click. Do a click. After that click, we need to verify the URL, right? Say when I click here manually, it is changing. Say this URL is changing now. Okay. After clicking this, clicking on register. So it changed to initialize to URL register.html. Now we need to validate this URL. How are you going to validate this URL? Await page dot not await. It's a validation, right? Expect page dot to have, you see, URL is the option. It's a suggestion. It's a method. URL we are having. How we are going to check this URL? So complete URL, right, Sam? We need to check, pick the complete URL and just put here. Okay, test log, just skip it. Now it will run only this test. Okay, so we are running only this test, page URL test. Okay, this test. See, with automation, it is picking some other text. Okay. So this is failed. See, it is picking this. Okay, it is picking the session ID also. The session ID is picking. So this is the complete received string. I see to pick this one, we need to write some other code. Instead of that, we'll go with the partial text. Partial text, how we can go? Just like this. Or can I check once with the regular expressions? HTM dot star. Can we try with this once? So to get the session ID, we need to add a few more codes so that we will see in future. But for now, for simple validation, I have used dot star. So it should pick the regular expression from there. If it is not working, then we will go with the partial URL. Okay, still it is not working. Okay. Okay. Now I will go with the partial. So register. I'm taking only the register. Okay. Now we will check it. We will run the same test case. So I'm going with the partial URL validation. So for complete URL validation, it is appending the session ID. So we need to append the session ID. We need to get the session ID. So it takes some coding part. We will see future. For now, I'm going with the partial. See, one script, one past. Can you see here? Open this report in the browser. Sorry. See how to validate page URLs. Expect URL. See it fast. This test is fast. Okay. Now I can run both the tests. Remove this. Two tests pass. I think it will work. Can I refresh this once? See, two tests fast. So it's a HTML browser, right? So the report will pick automatically this location. So it will get auto updated. I hope you understood this. Here I am going with the partial URL. Thank you.